Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We proceed to define the integrals and the learning outcome. At the end of the lecture, you should be able to use the properties of definite integral. Determine the value of the definite integral. Okay. Determine the area of region and determine the volume of solid of revolution. Okay, so we proceed to integrate evaluate theorem. So per definition, if f is a continuous at every point of the interval a and b, means that include the value of a and b. And if capital F is any antiderivative of f on a, b, then we can state that integral a to b fx dx is equal to capital FB minus capital F A. Means that you have to substitute the value of b and a. Okay. So proceed to example 12. Evaluate integral negative 1 to 3 x to the power of 3 plus 1 dx. So this one automatically we know that this one is equal to a and b. Okay. So integral negative 1 to 3 x to the power of 3 plus 1 dx. So how to solve this problem? This one become x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus x from negative 1 to 3. Okay. Since we know that a is equal to negative 1, b is equal to 3, so automatically you have to find the FA and FB. Okay. So FB minus FA. So you have to know that FB minus FA. So FB, where's FB? B is equal to 3, right? So x to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 3. So this one is equal to, okay, 81, right? 81 over 4 plus 3. Okay, 81 over 4 plus 3. Okay. Next, FA. What's FA? Negative 1. So negative 1 to the power of 4 over 4 plus negative 1. So we get 1 over 4 minus 1. Why minus? Positive multiplied by negative, you will get negative. Okay. So F3 minus F negative 1. Negative 1, right? So 81 over 4 plus 3 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 is equal to, okay, so this one, okay, you have to expand, you will get 81 over 4 plus 3 minus 1 over 4 plus 1. Okay, so this one is equal to 80 over 4 plus 4. So 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. So the answer is equal to 24. Okay. Next, we proceed to number 2, integral, okay, 0 to 2, 1 minus exponent x over exponent x dx. Okay, so this one is equal to a and this one is equal to b. And we know that integral a to b fx dx is equal to fb minus fa, right? Okay, so what should you do? You have to, okay, separately 0 to 2, 1 over exponent x minus exponent x over exponent x, okay, dx. Okay, so you will get 0 to 2, 1 over exponent x minus 1 dx. And this one is equal to 0 to 2 exponent negative x minus 1 dx, right? Okay. So, you have to integral exponent negative x. But how? Okay, let u is equal to x negative x. So, du is equal to negative 1. So, du dx is equal to negative 1. So, du is equal to negative dx. Since this one is only dx, so you have to change negative to left hand side. You will get negative du is equal to dx. Okay, next, integral exponent u dx. What is dx? Negative du, right? So you will get negative exponent u du. Okay, negative exponent u du is equal to negative exponent u. Okay, so here, okay, 0 to 2 exponent negative x minus 1 dx is equal to, so you have to substitute back u. U is equal to negative x. So negative x. Okay. So this one is equal to negative exponent negative x minus x from 0 to 2. Okay. Next, this one is equal to A, right? This one is equal to B. So FB is equal to F2, which is negative exponent negative 2 minus 2, right? How about FA? FA is equal to F0. So what is the F0? Negative exponent negative 0 minus 0. Okay. So F2 minus F0 is equal to negative exponent negative 2 minus 2 minus. Okay. So this one is equal to, okay, any number, okay, when you power of 0, you will get 1, right? Okay. So this one is equal to negative 1. Okay. So negative exponent negative 2 minus 2 plus 1. So you will get negative exponent negative 2 minus 1. Okay. So this one is our answer. Or you can directly substitute, which is exponent negative, okay, 2 minus 2 minus negative exponent negative 0 minus 0. Okay. But you have to make sure that you are not do the careless mistake. Okay. Because I worry that you will do the careless mistake. So that's why I do one by one. But it's up to you. You can choose either one. Okay. Okay. This one can use and also this one can you use. Okay.